Can most of you use body butter on your beard and be fine? Yes, absolutely. Is it as simple as that? No, of course not. Just like anything else in life, there are many factors and layers to consider, and this is no different. Some things that you should think about are fragrance levels, the quality of ingredients, and then just overall perspective with the situation, and I'll break all of those down in this video today. And for anybody new here, my name is DanCBearded. My subscribers gave me the name, the trusted teacher for all things beard related, because I am a teacher and I have a passion for everything that has to do with beards. On this channel, I go about it with an educational approach, a lot of data, research, experience, all tied into this beard channel. So if you are new, consider subscribing. I would appreciate that. So thank you guys. Check out the introduction, then we'll get into the information. Laws and regulations allow for higher concentrations of fragrance and essential oils with body products as compared to face and beard products. Now, to give an example to prove this that all of you have probably experienced is think about a time when you've been in a room, whether it's your classroom, whether it's a work office, and a female takes out scented lotion and puts lotion on her hands or on her body. That smell is going to light up the entire room. Everybody's going to turn and try to find the source of that smell and say, hey, who lit us up with some strawberries and cream? Well, if a guy were to take out a tin of beard butter in that same room and apply it to his beard, depending on the brand, maybe nobody's going to smell it. And at worst case scenario, just a couple people surrounding him would smell. It does not have that same level of strength. Why? Because that's the law. Our face and beard is more sensitive than our body, and those regulations show that. So if you are using body products on your face, you have a higher chance of having a reaction to those fragrances, especially if you have sensitive skin. Me, I have a sensitivity to spices. Most people do. Mine's a little bit higher sensitivity than a lot of people. And for example, cinnamon. If I have cinnamon, my skin is going to light up red and will be hurting for about 30 to 45 minutes. Well, a lot of those body products that you see in body butters, whether it's apple cinnamon or it's Christmas time scent, they're going to have those allergens at a higher level, and I, for one, would absolutely react to that. You almost always get what you pay for. I'm a firm believer in that, and I like the saying. It was kind of a light bulb moment for me when I was buying clothes, when someone told me, buy nice or pay for it twice. And that is no different when it comes to beard products. Sure, you can hop on Amazon and find really inexpensive body butters that have the same ingredients as beard butters. But most of those are coming from a country like China. Most of those are sitting for months and months in warehouses, and they are using the absolute lowest quality of ingredients. Now, that may look like it's the same thing on paper, but in actual application, it is far different. So keep that in mind. There are some amazing body butters that are made by companies we know and love in the US, and they're gonna have really good ingredients. They're gonna do great things for your body, but the price is going to match that. It's not going to be much cheaper or any cheaper than that beard butter because they're using that same even playing field of quality. Perspective on this topic. My boy Scuba is right. This is by no means a counter or a shot at Scuba. We are actually really good friends. We talk on a daily basis. We text each other. He says that we are yin and yang and kind of balance each other out, and he really is right here. If you are someone that is hurting for money, you are trying to save every bit you can, you are looking at the differences of pennies per ounces, this can absolutely be the option for you. Beard butter may be solved by getting a cheaper body butter. Now, if you're someone also that is in a country where beard products are not readily available, this also could be your solution by getting something that is available to you. Absolutely no arguments there whatsoever. You are likely going to get the job done with a body butter for your beard. You are likely not going to have a reaction to these increased fragrance levels. Now, are those risks there? Of course. You could be getting just a terrible product that doesn't work. You could be getting something that you may have a reaction to or could harm your beard. Those issues and those risks are there, but they are low. I'm not going to be crazy about that. Now, for me, is it worth it? Absolutely. When I started this beard journey, I wanted to get quality products. One of my favorite companies to purchase from was The Bearded Bastard. I actually went out and bought all of their oils. They are on the much more expensive side of the spectrum. I could have gotten cheap ones, which I did. I went on Amazon. I sorted by best deals first, just like all of you have. But those products went rancid after a few months. They smelled rotten, likely because they were sitting in a hot warehouse somewhere and just did not have quality ingredients. So I learned that lesson and I thought, man, I know there could be other options out there, but I just want to treat myself. I'm taking care of my beard. I want a product that smells manly. I want a product that I know is coming from a quality source that cares about the intentions of my face and beard, and this would give you that. That body butter is not going to have that same light or that same lens that the beard butter is going to. So you really just got to take a look at your personal situation and think about what makes more sense to you. So just like anything else, there are many layers and factors to consider when you make your decision. You need to take your personal pros and cons to put them all together to make that educated choice for what's best for you. Now, would I personally recommend using body butters on your beard to replace beard butter if you are looking to save money? No. I do not think that that is worth it. I believe that the risks outweigh the pros here, but I do have advice for someone that is struggling for cash but would still like to take care of their beard in terms of beard butter. I would say go to your local health store and get shea butter. Just straight up shea butter. That will get the job done. Is it going to smell as good as beard butters? No, of course not. Is it going to be as effective as the highest level beard butters? No, but it is the most potent ingredient in most beard butters out there. It will leave your beard feeling great and leave it in a healthy state, which you are trying to achieve. That would be my advice to you guys on this topic here. So to leave you guys with, please leave me a comment down below with your thoughts. I would love any questions. I never mind going back and clarifying or giving some more information or going more in depth on any of this. The only thing that I ask of you guys is this channel is based on positivity and keeping a classy tone. So that's the one thing I would request from you guys down in the comments below. So I hope I broke some things down for you in this video and at least got you thinking. That's one of the main things I try to do on this channel is, as a teacher, I love to push people to their boundaries of thinking, stretching what they've always been told or what they've always thought, and then really kind of coming back to forming their own decisions out there. So my name is DanCBearded. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you will always stay bearded and stay positive.